We're going to be going through your intermediate reformer order on the spine corrector. I love the spine corrector and I love exploring our amazing system on this piece of apparatus. Big exhale going right into footwork. Pilates stance, 5 repetitions. We go 5, in, 4, 3, and 2. Easy 1, parallel. Curl the toes, flex the ankles, 5. Right leg into your chest for tree, and we go. 3, 2, 1, climb it up. Curl up high, pull, rounding back, climbing down. 3, 2, 1. And now easy. You've done all the hard work. Circle. 2 more. 1 more. And reverse. You got through this workout. You showed up for yourself today. You're going to feel so good the rest of your day. 1 more.